Hello, cashew crew. I am here in front of a specimen of a giant cashew tree, which still has a very large cultivated area in the Northeast region, especially in the state of Ceará, Rio Grande do Norte, and a little less in the state of Piauí, but still accounts for part of the cashew nut production. Unfortunately, these are orchards with high genetic variability, and due to the size of the plant, as you can see here, it's difficult to carry out cultural and sanitary practices. So, a PCE, a plant like this one here, it is really difficult to harvest, difficult to prune, and especially to manage phytosanitary control. Imagine controlling scale insects on a plant with a canopy this tall. So it's increasingly important to replace and renew orchards of plants like this one, of common cashew or giant cashew, with grafted dwarf cashew plants. Here's a tip.